camping that it's beautiful out here and you can do that.
But everyone just wants to get out.
Yeah.
You know, they
Yes.
didn't get to do their camping trips this year and they just want to get out. So the systems are just getting overwhelmed.
I tried to have a picnic and it didn't happen. You know why?
Oh,
There you go.
because you didn't bring your
Look at that.
snorkel.
Seriously, I mean, some of the pictures we've been getting in from all of these rivers that are just swollen and some that have actually breached their banks. This is the East Fork of the Lewis River in Clark County. So that's what it looks like even today. This picture was actually taken yesterday, but today did another double check on that picnic bench and it is still underwater. We will see these rivers gradually recede, but you have to remember we had extremely warm temperatures that led to a lot of snow melt, that plus a ton of rain in a period of just 2.5 days. So just up the hill from here, from the East Fork of the Lewis River, rain totals for a 2.5-day period were close to about 6 inches, all that feeding right into this river system right here. So a quick look at where we are with the Lewis River there. This is at the point in Woodland. This is the monitoring station. So for those of you living in the area, we haven't seen this river recede much, by a fraction of an inch at this point. So we're going to continue to watch a bigger drop off. As soon as we get to Sunday, the river is forecast to recede considerably, along with most of our rivers. However, there's a few I want to point out to you that are still in the minor flood stage. Tualatin River, South Yamhill River in McMinnville, and Lucky and Mute River in Suver, those are still at the minor flood stage, but the good news is they have come out of the moderate flooding stage, so there are improvements happening. Let's talk about rain because, yeah, we're going to see more of it here in the forecast starting late tonight, early tomorrow morning. This is when most of you, I think, will be asleep. About 3:30 in the morning, the first wave comes through. It starts to break up thereafter with just a few scattered showers for the afternoon. And so by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, I think you'll actually have some, not just dry time, but even a little bit of sunshine before, of course, the day ends. Saturday is a dry day overall. Sunday, back to more rain. This is Sunday morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning. That rain, once again, this next system, very quick mover, doesn't deliver a lot in terms of precipitation, and it moves out quickly enough so that by the afternoon and evening, you'll have some dry time. How much rain are we talking about? Well, by comparison, compared to earlier this week, not much. But want to give you an idea here, about 2/10 of an inch Portland, out towards the coast about 3/10 of an inch. Let's add on Sunday's totals, and that takes us up to about 3/10 of an inch in Portland, close to a 1/2 inch for you at the coast. Hood River close to about 2/10 of an inch, eastern and central Oregon, barely enough to measure, a few hundredths. Right now in Portland, it is 51 degrees. Our temperatures will be in the upper 40s through 8 o'clock, mid 40s after we roll on past 9 o'clock. Wind right now, still pretty robust out of the east-southeast at about 14 to 20 miles per hour. Wind's going to start to back off, though, as soon as we get to late tonight. Over to Lincoln City, where it's 57 degrees. Keep in mind, even though it looks nice and calm right now, bigger swell is expected. So as a result, there's going to be a high surf advisory south of Coos Bay. Bigger swell, 20 to 25 feet. Watch out for sneaker waves starting tomorrow, lasting through Saturday afternoon. Sunday will be another big swell on the way, starting Sunday night. Now over to Mount Hood Meadows, the temperature 44 degrees. We expect those snow levels to stay above our mountain passes even when we're getting rain right here tomorrow. Your snow levels are going to be closer to about 6,000 feet by then. Also for Sunday, a cool down period though begins for us next week, where daytime highs will be closer to normal for this time of year, right around 47. Overnight temperatures in the mid to upper 30s next week. KOIN 6 News. We'll be right back.